Welcome to ChequeSystem tutorial. The checklist in ChequeSystem displays all your check records within the checkbook. You can easily modify the columns shown in this list to focus on the information that is most relevant to you. Let's get started. To customize the checklist, right-click anywhere in the list to open the pop-up menu. From the menu options, select List Columns. This will open the List Columns dialog. In this dialog, you'll find all the available column options for the checklist. Simply check the boxes next to the columns you want to display. If there are any columns you'd like to hide, just uncheck their boxes. Once you've made your selections, click the Save button at the bottom to apply the changes. You'll see the checklist instantly update to show only the columns you've selected. This feature allows you to tailor your view to highlight the check information that matters most to you. Thank you for watching ChequeSystem tutorial.